Rose and the Bear. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Rose with her loving parents. They had recently moved into a new house in a city near the woods. She had joined a new school. She had no friends there. She saw the other kids playing and laughing and having fun while she had no one to talk to. She had lots of toys at home, but no one to play with. One day she was out in her garden when she saw a bear. She was scared at first, but then the bear said, "Hi, would you like to be my friend?" Rose was so happy and quickly accepted the offer. They started playing and having fun. Then the bear often came to visit and they would have a fun time every time. The bear and Rose also had a secret song together. Very, very boo, 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 boo. Very, very boo, coo, 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 coo.